In this video, I'm going to share 6 ways to use the Sian Richards London 4K Longwear Cream. Hey guys, what's up? It is Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am so excited. I've seriously been wanting to make this video for 2 years now because I'm obsessed with this product and use it on set on every single job. If you happen to be new to my channel, welcome. I'm a freelance makeup artist and licensed esthetician based out of Los Angeles. If you enjoy seeing makeup artist related content, then definitely consider subscribing because there's more where this came from. Now I carry 4 different palettes within this line. There's Melanin, of course. I also carry the Essence palette, the Ether palette, and the Boreal palette. You can use this product a million different ways, but what I would love to do is open up the comment section to share stories and successes or misses about this product so we can kind of create a community talking about this product. Now, I cannot imagine my makeup kit without it. I've repurchased it a couple times because I've used it up and it's just become a staple for me. One of my favorite ways to use it is in the brows, especially in the Melanin palette. When you have someone that sits in your chair that has a deeper complexion, a lot of the brow products out on the market that I have found, let me know in the comments if you have recommendations, do not have the right kind of pigment of a black. And most of the time when I use it, it turns quite a bit ashy on the skin. Because of the undertones in the Melanin palette, this won't do that. It's also gonna last all day long, and you have a few options with it. You can scoop out a little bit on your palette and you can draw individual little hair strokes, or you can let it sit for a second, let it dry down, and use it almost like you would use a powder eyebrow product just to kind of give a little bit of dimension. Now, another way, which I think is the most common way that people use this product, is using it for tattoo cover. I know when Sian Richards was doing Black Panther, that's when she was really developing this product, covering tattoos for the waterfall scene. It is a great tattoo cover. I would recommend that you let it dry in between each layer. Sometimes when you build it up, because it's so creamy and you're using a generous amount of it, sometimes it can kind of pick up where you've placed down. But if you just let it set with either like a fan or just patience, then you can apply another layer on and it will not budge. It is waterproof. In fact, when you put a little bit of this product on your skin and you run it underwater, it'll bead up, so it will not penetrate the skin. It is an insanely long-wearing product like you can't even believe. The next way that I like to use it is actually as foundation. Now, I have a little trick though. I know you can mix it with a lot of different things. I've mixed it with moisturizers, I've tried a bunch of different foundations, and the one that has worked for me the most is the MAC Pro from Le Maquillage Paris HD Fluid. I don't know what it is about this plus this, but it is magic. Okay, I will use it on every single client that sits down in my chair from all different ages, all different skin types. It is amazing. Now, I've tried mixing it with Face Atelier, it didn't work. I tried mixing it with a few different creams, it doesn't work. It is really this HD fluid that it just creates magic with it. Depending on the kind of coverage that I want or the foundation finish that I want, I'll use anywhere from 25 to 75% of this, and then the opposite of that. What I love about this too is that the undertones in this foundation palette are like real life people colors. You can use a little bit of creativity to match any skin tone in the world. Hashtag guaranteed. So I carry about 6 different shades of the HD fluid with the 4 palettes, and I'm covered for anything and everything that could come my way. Now, another great way to use this product, and I'll give you an example, is to sheer it out with alcohol. Like I was mentioning before, when you're doing a foundation with it, you can truly, I mean, you have to play. You have to experiment and be your own little makeup chemist. But one amazing way is to sheer it down with alcohol. Now, something happened. I was on a shoot and there were no effects, so I didn't have any alcohol palettes with me. And the main actor had to shave his beard. He was redheaded and had sunspots on his skin. So he shaved for the first time in 14 years. I created a darker foundation to match it. And then what I ended up doing is needing to then match the sunspots. So I went in with the Essence palette with a little bit of alcohol and ended up splattering and recreating those sunspots to give it a little bit of more of like a skin-like finish. Because when you just had the foundation, it just didn't look realistic and it looked like I just pounded foundation on his skin. When you mix it with alcohol, it melts. I mean, seriously, I've never used a product like this before. So it was a really great way to create kind of skin texture, especially when you're doing a tattoo. Going back to number 2 is like when you're doing a tattoo and you just put one color over it, it's not gonna look realistic. I mean, in photos you can get away with it, but in film, no shot. So what's great about these skin tones is that you can shear them out with alcohol and then splatter it on top to really like mix up the skin texture to make a more realistic cover. On one shoot, I was assisting an artist who actually was using this for dirt. And like I mentioned before, you can use this product in so many different ways. Once it's dry on the palette, it's like a whole new product that's different and amazing. And so when we were using it for dirt, because it's got that long wear, you can use it sheared down with alcohol. You can use it as it is. You can build it up, you can shear it down, you can, use a wet one to really break up the texture. And it's gonna work really well because it's so malleable. But when it sits and it's locked, then you're good all day. Another way that I like to use this product is as a body makeup, not just for tattoo cover, but as like a sheer pantyhose, like filter on the skin. It is stunning. Now you can mix it with a lot of different things like I've mentioned before, but my favorite way is to just take a little bit of alcohol and to put it on the skin, and it just kind of neutralizes the undertones. You can even do some contouring with it. Just shear them out on your palette and then create your different washes. And because it's got that long wear formula, it's gonna be on all day, which is, I mean, what dreams are made of. I've also used it. I did a workout commercial a few months back, and I ended up using it to neutralize the underarm undertones that the talent had. And because it's got that long wear, guys, I mean, she was working out doing like punches, and underneath her underarms, I mean, you'd never know, except I'm telling you. All right, y'all, as I mentioned before, I want to talk more about this product because I feel like every project that I'm on, I'm like, oh, I used it for this, or for this, or for this. So let me know in the comment section below if you use this product, you want to try this product, if you've had good experiences or bad experiences. I want to create kind of like a forum of this product. As always, there are more tips and tricks on Facebook and Instagram at Makeup by Shannon Marie. I hope you guys are having a great week, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.